Hi, boys and girls. I hope you guys are doing awesome. Today in ELA, we are going to be working on the reading skill and strategy of finding fact or opinions. And this can be really fun, but because we're writing opinion pieces, it's important that as we read and as we go through life, we can understand the difference between a fact and an opinion. So a fact is a statement that can be proven true. For instance, Laverne Lake Elementary is a new school. Okay, if this elementary school was built last year, it is a fact that it is new, right? Facts have other facts to back them up, and it can be proven true. So if you say 3 plus 3 equals 6, that's a fact, because if I have 3 marbles plus 3 marbles, I have 6 marbles. An opinion is how someone feels, thinks, or reacts to something. So, the discussion we were having in our Zooms about pizza. Everyone has their own opinion about pizza. Even if our class all shares the same opinion, it still is an opinion because it's how we feel, think, or react to something. It can't be proven true. Everyone is entitled to their own opinion. So an example similar to our fact would be Laverne Lake Elementary is a beautiful school. The reason that's an opinion is because, Joe Schmo next to me could think that it's not so beautiful. It's how someone feels, thinks, or reacts to something. Some words in an opinion will try to trick you into believing that it's a fact. Here are some examples. Everyone, believe, think, best, seems, worst, better, and all. So these words, sometimes people use them when they're expressing their opinion, and it influences the people listening to them to believe that it's a fact, right? Everyone thinks that St. Catherine's is the best school. Okay, unfortunately, that's not a fact. It's an opinion. Everyone at St. Catherine's might believe in that same opinion, but you can't say that everyone in the world thinks that. That can't be proven true. So sometimes when we see these words, it sounds so believable that we think it's a fact, but it still is an opinion. Everyone loves chocolate. It's convincing, but it is an opinion. I believe that there's no better place to vacation than in the mountains. Just because someone believes it doesn't mean it's a fact. I think the main character in that movie is funny. Again, that's an opinion. You're the best reader in the class. It seems that some people study harder than others. That's the worst food I've ever tasted. All of these examples are tricking other people to think they are facts, and yet they are opinions. Dogs are better than cats. All children should eat their vegetables. So it's really important to understand that when you're asking yourself whether something is a fact or an opinion, you want to think about, is there a side that could go against it? Could another opinion challenge that sentence? So let's try some. So I chose to use the example of High School Musical. It's a movie on Disney Channel. It was very popular when I was in grade school. So I decided to choose some examples from this movie. I believe it's on Disney Plus if you're allowed to watch it. So, is this a fact or an opinion? High School Musical is a great movie. It's an opinion, right? I think it's great. My sisters think it's great. Unfortunately, some of my brothers don't think it's so great. Fact or an opinion? Zac Efron plays Troy Bolton, and Vanessa Hudgens plays Gabriela Montez in Disney's High School Musical and High School Musical 2. Is that a fact or an opinion? It's a fact. It is true. That actor and actress do play Troy and Gabriela. What's really important, even if you didn't know what actors or actresses played who, I don't see the words it seems, believe, everyone, has to be, they're the best, right? This sentence or these sentences are very factual. They don't have an opinion inflected in it at all. Fact or opinion. Ashley Tisdale, who plays Sharpay, is the best actress in the movie. Fact or opinion. Think about the words you see in here. If you said opinion, you are correct. I see the word is the best actress, right? That would be an opinion because there's no proof of who was the best actress in the movie. Fact or opinion. Corbin Bleu looks great when he wears the color yellow. If you said opinion, you're correct, right? Someone might think he doesn't look so great wearing yellow. Fact or opinion. Chad, played by Corbin Bleu, is friends with Taylor, played by Monique Coleman in High School Musical. Think about the words used or not used. This is a fact. Again, even if you didn't know this actor and actress, I don't see the words it seems, I believe, they're the best, right? It's just telling us who was playing who. Fact or opinion. Troy and Chad both play basketball for the Wildcats in the movie. Let's look at their jerseys. Who do you think they play for? So if you said fact, that is correct. It is who they play for. Fact or opinion. Troy Bolton, played by Zac Efron, is the cutest boy in the school. So some people joke that it's a fact, but it is an opinion, right? How you believe someone looks or how they act is an opinion. Even if it's common, it's still an opinion. Fact or opinion. Sharpay Evans, Ashley Tisdale, and Ryan Evans, Lucas Grabeel, are brother and sister in the High School Musical movies. This is a fact. If you've watched the movie or know the movie, they are brother and sister in the movie. So, fact or opinion. Troy and Gabriella are a better singing pair than Sharpay and Ryan. Think about it. This would be an opinion. Someone might think that they're a better pair than they are. Fact or opinion. Everyone would enjoy attending East High. This is an opinion. Some people might rather go to Radnor, right? So you can't speak for other people, otherwise it's an opinion. So I want you to think this activity was meant for school, but it says quietly work with your table groups and come up with 5 facts and opinions about High School Musical or High School Musical 2. You're not going to do that. But I do want you to think about some examples of facts and opinions from movies that you might enjoy. So if you have any questions about fact or an opinion, please let me know. You're going to be completing a worksheet today on fact and opinion, since you're going to be looking at a picture and you're going to be doing a reading skill. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you soon.